So let us start the implementation of stack using array in a C programming language. So first, so we have to include the header file. As it is array implementation, first we have to declare the array as a global so that any function can able to access. That's why we make the array as a global and it can store the maximum 50 elements. Then one top we have to declare a variable which always point to the topmost of element which is for the indexing of the stack. So here it is -1 value. Reason is that this indexing is starting from 0 to n-1. So initialization should be -1. All the details of the concept of this stack I have already covered in my previous video. I will just make a description, make the link inside the description section. You can go back to that section, and once you cover the video and you just join this video, then it will be easy to understand all the concepts. So we make the top for the indexing of this, and initialization value is -1. Then we go for one choice value, that is we are going for menu drive program 1, 2, 3, 4 post pop pick, all the things we have to go for that. Or for iteration we make, if we require on one more thing, we require how many elements it can be stored. So according to that we have to fix the size of stack. So here we make max size. So these are the global variables, global declaration we require. Now we have to go for the function. First function is empty function. Main purpose is to check whether the stack is empty or not. So according to that, it will return value is 0 or 1. If it is empty, then it returns value is 1. Otherwise, it returns value 0. That's why the function return value is integer value. So we have to check if empty means if top equal to -1 means it is empty. There is no value. So top equal to -1. Push. When we are going for push operation, we have to check whether stack is full or not. So if is full means stack is full, then we cannot insert any value. So what we have to write down? Printf stack is else. If stack is not full, then we have to insert the value. So whenever we are going to insert the value, first we have to read the value, which value we are going to insert. So printf, enter the value for push. Then we have to scanf. So whenever we go for scanf, then what happened? We need a variable to store. So n we may not declare, let's see. No, we are not declared. So here we have to declare the n. So once we read the value of n, then what we have to do? We have to increase the top. Top is the variable which points to the current index. So index we have to increase, then only we can insert. So stack top right now store the value n. So this is our Push operation is over. Once push operation is over, then we have to think about pop. So void pop. So void pop means whenever we go for delete an element, at the time we have to check whether there is any element present inside the stack or not. If there is no element present inside the stack, we cannot remove or we cannot pop. So if is empty, we have to check for empty condition. If it is true, means there is no element, so we have to write down else, means we have to retrieve the value. So first at a time we retrieve as well as we print the value. Percent %d is the popped element from stack. So it will print the value. Then we have to decrease the indexing because after deleting a value, the one element is deleted. So the indexing is decreased by 1. So this is our pop operation over. Once pop operation is over, but what happened? In between the program, we want to display the stack. So for that, we have to write down display function. For simplicity, all the function I make as a void, as well as it does not take any, when the function does not take any parameter, does not return any value, and all the things I make as a global so that any function can able to access. So whenever we are good for print or display, so at that time we have to check whether any element present inside the stack or not. If element is present, then only we can print. So for this we have to go for if is empty. If it is true means what? We can't print. So underflow, no stack is empty. It is our choice what we want to print. If it empty, else we have to use a loop to print all the values. So for because we have to print from top to bottom, so for I equal to top, I greater than equal to 0, I minus minus, we have to print the value printf. So this is our display function. Now we have to focus on our main function. So first we have to enter the size. So we have to scan a %d ampersand max size. Once we read the size, then what happened? We have to print the output format. So this is, we can write down stack implementation. It is our choice what we want to print output. Then after print that, we have to go for the menu drive program. So here this is our do while. We are using do while, minimum it should execute once. So do while printf new line, for one is for pop operation, then two for, sorry, first one is for the push operation, second one is for the pop operation, third one is for pick, then fourth one is for display, then one more we can add, that is fifth for exit. Okay. So whatever we enter the choice, we have to scanf. Go for scanf or send, and we store inside the choice variable. Then we have to put in a switch case choice. So first case one, push function, then break, case two, then case three, pick function we have to call. According to that, we have to write all the program code. Case four we make as a display. So display, then break, case five, that is exit. So here we can return exit point. Last one is the default printf invalid options, then break. So this is our switch case is over. Once switch case is over, so here we scan, then this case, then this is our while. So once the while for ending we reach, at the time we have to mention that here we are make the choices up to 5. So choice. So, so here we have to write down do while choice not equal to 5. So let us check whether all the parenthesis is full. No, I think this is our extra curly bracket. Let us compile the program. So, okay, we mention as a X max size, no? Max size. Okay, then next error is that is printf was not declared. That's the 47 printf. Line number 47. This is 47 printf. Compile once. This is printf. After break, we have put the semicolon. Each and every statement should be ended with the semicolon in C language. Yes, do while also we have to put the semicolon. So let us come run the program. For example, I enter the size is 5. So first option is push. So I enter 10. Then also I enter 2 element, 3 element, 30, fourth element, 50. Now again I want to, oh, option is invalid. Okay, okay. So for example, I want to display. So display means it's showing 2020. So here what happened, it's display the only top element, not the initial element. Let's see the code. So this is display is empty for I equal to. Oh, sorry. Here what happened, we have to write down the top stack I starting from top to 0. That is the problem. So whenever we are doing any program at the time, if there is no compilation error, we can go for the run. But during the running of the program, there is a chances of logical error. So here what happened, we have to write down the I. Let's run the program once again, whether we are getting the I will first 101, 201, 30, 1. We want to display. So for display, we enter 4. Then, so now we want to pop the value. So 2 is for 30. Then 3 is for pick value, 20 value. Now we are getting the answer correctly. So whenever we are running program, now in between, there is a chances of logical error. So we have to check. Now again we have to do suppression. 101. Again 20, 30. Now we want to display how many elements right now. 5 elements is present. Again, I want to insert the value. So here what happened? Already 5 element is present. We want to insert more. Then what happened? Stack overflow. For example, right now we are going for pop operation. First element pop, second element pop, third element pop, fourth element pop, fifth element is pop. Now stack is empty under flow condition. We cannot perform the pop operation. So this is the all operation performed by the C language in case of array implementation. So next video will cover the linked list representation. So this is our final complete program and we are already got the correct answer. So these are the things. Thanks for watching my video. Just in this video I tried to perform some operations in such a way that whenever you are doing the program, there is a chances, some logical error, some syntax error. So I tried to cover all the things so that whenever you are doing the program, you can able to rectify your logical error as well as able to rectify the compilation. On that basis, I just cover the video. Hope you are able to understand the concept and thanks for watching my video.